Good morning, class 11. So, today's topic is progressive tax, proportional tax, and regressive tax. And this is the last portion of this chapter, that is chapter 4. Okay. So, here, this after this, you can write all the notes, okay, given by me, and then you can submit it on Monday or tomorrow. Now, let us understand first what is income tax. So, when income tax is imposed on an individual, there are three systems of determining the rate of income tax. So, income tax are those tax which are imposed on the income of the individuals. Okay. So, here there are three ways to put or to impose the tax on the individual. There are three system. Okay, system of taxing on the individual's income. So, first is progressive tax, second is proportional tax, and third is regressive tax. So, first is proportional tax. If it is found that income tax liability of any individuals increases at the same rate in which its tax income increases, then this system of taxation is known as proportional income taxation. So, here there are some income which are taxable, okay, on which individual has to give tax, has to pay tax. Suppose that an individual's taxable income is 1000, and on this 10,000 taxable income is 10,000 means his taxable income is 10,000 means that he has to pay some tax on these 10,000. Okay, so and suppose that income tax which he is paying is 2000. So on 10,000 income, how much is paying? 2000. So what is the rate of interest? Is 20%. Okay. Now suppose that the taxable income, this income has been increased from 10,000 to 15,000. Okay. 10,000 to 15,000. And now suppose that income tax also increased from 2000 to 3000. Okay, now we know how to find the rate of interest. Rate of interest can be found by income tax divided by the incomes on which tax has been imposed in 200. So here if you will find both the changes are same, it means from 10 to 15,000 rate it has been increased. Similarly, tax income also increases from 2 to 2000 to 3000, and here both the cases the rate of interest is 20%. So if the rate of interest or the rate of tax has been increased at the same rate at which the income has been increased, then it is known as proportional tax. It means here if the income is increasing by 10%, okay, then rate of income tax is also increasing by 10%. So both the rate are same. So this is known as proportional tax. Now the second one is progressive tax. So the tax system is said to be progressive when the rate of increase in tax liability is greater than the rate of interest increase in taxable income. So suppose that income has been increased from 10,000 to 15,000, but income tax has been increased to 2,000 to 3750, or any amount which is more than 3,000. Then we can say that the rate of interest of tax is more, okay, than the income, then it is known as progressive tax. It means that the more the income will increase, the more tax will to increase. Means tax income is more than the income which the individual earn. Okay, so in this case there is a tax or income tax is more than the taxable income which has been earned by the individual. So you can say, but as the taxable income increases from 10,000 to 15,000, tax liability increases from 2,000 to 3750, means 3,750. So in this case, liability increase more than the income. Hence, in this case, we have progressive income tax system. Now the third one is regressive tax. So in regressive tax system, tax liability increases at lower rate than the increase in taxable income. So in this case, if the incomes are increasing more, the individual has to pay the less tax. Here the taxable income increases from suppose 10,000 to 15,000, then tax liability decreases from 2,000 to 1,800. In this case, higher rate is applicable to lower income and the lower rate is applicable to higher income. So if the income is increasing, there will be low rate of interest. If the income is decreasing, there will be high rate of interest in case of regressive tax system. Thank you students. I hope you all understood this. If in case if you have doubt, you can ask me personally.